Welcome from Sterling Finance UK Limited, an award-winning accounting and business consultancy firm based in United Kingdom. These videos are being made so I can explain you how investing in United Kingdom can benefit you and your business. Please remember to like, share and register for future information. Let's look at the process of setting up business in the UK. There are 5 key stages in setting up a business in UK. Let's have a look at them. The first step is to register the company, which is known as incorporation. This will require several legal formalities such as articles of association, memorandum of association, appointment of a director, preparing the company register, the board minute, and other related compliances. All these formalities are managed by a government organization called Companies House. Second step, business setup. Setting up business is an internal process which involves many tasks. Number 1, opening a bank account, appointing a knowledgeable accountant. Please take care, extreme care in appointing a knowledgeable accountant. Then establish a registered office. This is where all legal documents will be sent by the legal authorities. Registration for taxes. The third step of business setup in UK is registration of taxes. Let's look at some examples. Corporation tax. This is known as tax return for a limited company. The rate of corporation tax in 2020 is 19% of the taxable profit. The tax year for a limited company runs from 1st of April to 31st of March each year. PAY, known as Pay As You Earn. This tax is collected by the businesses from the employees to forward it to the government. Every employee is subject to income tax and national insurance. These 2 taxes are deducted from their salary before they get paid. And then company needs to add employers' national insurance contribution. Then all these 3 taxes collected are paid on the 19th of the following month. VAT. This tax is on ultimate goods and services paid by the public. In India, it is known as GST. In UK, you don't need to register for VAT until your annual turnover reaches £85,000. However, you can register voluntarily anytime during the year. Tax return. In the UK, this is known as self-assessment for the individual. Every director of a company needs to register for this formality. The tax year of individual runs from 6th of April to 5th of April each year. All income from all sources are reported in this tax return. Tax calculation is based on the types of income, and the rates of taxes are different for each type of income. Let's look at the legal compliances. The legal compliances, this is the 4th step of setting up a company in United Kingdom, and legal compliances is a mandatory obligation of each business. There are many common compliances, and there are also industry-specific compliances necessary. Let's discuss few examples. GDPR, General Data Protection Register. In 2018, entire European government implemented GDPR throughout the Eurozone. This is an extension of Data Protection Act with far-reaching scope and compliances. Employment law. This is the regulation every business needs to follow when they employ people. Health and Safety Act. This is another mandatory regulation which every business needs to follow and implement, and it is often seen that health and safety is a very common item on the agenda of every board meeting. Proceeds of Crime Act 2002, Money Laundering Act 2007. This is also known as Anti-Money Laundering Regulation. Every business is subject to these regulations. A business owner or executive director of the business needs to be aware about these regulations. These regulations deal with all forms of handling or possessing criminal property. It also looks at the proceeds of one's own crime and facilitating or handling possession of criminal property. The next step is operational setup. These are very well known to every successful entrepreneur and is necessary to smooth running of the business. All your system, equipment, people, fixtures need to be in place before you start trading. For example, order processing system, inventory management system, accounting system, HR system. Once you have completed these 5 steps, you are ready to start your business operations. So I hope you have enjoyed this presentation series of investing and expanding in United Kingdom. We have other series as well for different investment strategies. For example, real estate investment in UK. Please look out for those presentations and share your comments with us. Thank you for listening and watching.